Hey, Facebook family, Ann Morrissey, personal stylist here. And today I'm going to be talking about three things that you can do to make better outfits. Part one, because there is more to it than this. But hey, it's my first Facebook Live and I thought, let me just kind of keep it short today. So yes, if we have not met me, like I said, I'm a personal stylist. I've been working with men and women for over 12 years now, helping them kick up their style game. People that typically just don't like shopping or don't have time to shop, we work together and make it so that they can get dressed with ease, know they're looking good everywhere they go. So, okay, three things you can do to make better outfits. So many people come to me and one of the reasons is they feel like they don't make good outfits. And that's why I'm starting with this. All right, so number one may not be what you would think it is. So it is this. A lot of people, when they don't like shopping, you put it off to the last minute. You go over there, you buy, whatever, just so you can pretty much just get the heck out, right? Not even really quite thinking about how it fits into the wardrobe. And if you do that over and over again, what happens is you end up with a closet full of clothes and nothing to wear. So my advice to you is the number one thing is only buy things you love. That's right. When I'm shopping for people or shopping for myself, I'm not looking for anything in particular. I'm looking for love. You want to go out and see, have an emotional connection to the things that you own and wear. So you're looking for things that make you say, wow, that's kind of cool. Ooh, I like that. That's the energy that you need in the items that you have in your wardrobe to make good outfits. If you are just like, I don't know, it's not that bad, I got it on sale, it's okay, good enough. If you have a lot of things in your closet that you feel that way about, you're not going to be able to make very good outfits. Hopefully the things I'm going to tell you will help you along a little better, but it starts with the love. Because when you're wearing something that you love, the energy of that just comes up and out and through everything that you do and everybody that you meet. Okay, I think we got that down. Now then, number two is when you want to make an outfit that has some impact and makes you feel good. Number two is that you got to understand color. Color is energy made visible. So I'm going to give you an example. Some of you may have seen me do this before, but I do this because I think it's powerful and I want you to understand just what I'm talking about. So anybody can wear any color somewhere on their body, right? But it's the color that you wear up by your face that you want to get right, because it's the face is the focus. So do you understand what I'm saying? It's like if you are, you can wear any color anywhere on your body, but it's this color up here that you want to get right. Okay, so for example, I do not wear this color, gray. Why not? I think we can see because it pretty much washes me out and doesn't do anything. It's not that I'm against gray, it's just that nothing happens. So nothing happens when I put it on. And you're going to be the same. You're going to be exactly the same. It's not that gray might be fine up here for you, but you got to do some experimenting and find out which colors actually look good up here and then wear those. And what you're going to find is that you feel differently. You feel better when you find your colors, and people respond to you in a different way when you find your colors. I had somebody ask me the other day to do a color wheel on her color chart. And I said, no, I'm sorry. I really don't do that. That's kind of an old-fashioned thing that people used to do. And I don't do it because I think it's limiting. It's hard enough to find things, right? What if you find something that you really like and it's not in a color that you're supposed to wear? Then what? Well, one thing that you could do, so we go back to my gray. If this was something cute and I really wanted to have it, then I would do this and put the color up by my face. A color that does do something for me. All right, so, don't get caught up in the microphone. The third thing that I really want you to think about doing, and it's something that people often say, oh, Ann, I don't do that. It's just too much, is accessorizing. Accessorizing is just everything. Let me give you an example. Let me take off mine. Okay, off with earrings, a bracelet, ring, goodbye scarf. Okay. You see what I mean? It's not the same thing, is it? No. And what I'm trying to illustrate to you here is the importance of using accessories to finish what your look. If you're not doing it, you're not finishing it off. Now, a lot of times people don't wear accessories because they don't store them. They haven't found a way to store them in a way that really works. I know many people keep their jewelry in the little boxes that it came in. And come on, you know how that goes. As soon as you're trying to get ready and out the door, and the last thing you're going to do is fool around with boxes of jewelry that's all tangled up. So if you can, find a way to store it that's a little bit better, because it's going to be worth it. Now, what kind of accessories do you need? I say this is the minimum, that if all you did was this, the rest of your life you could be okay. And it is, let me get my bracelet back on. I feel naked without it. You need, if you only like silver or you only like gold, that's fine. It doesn't really matter. But I think that a combination of silver and gold is what really, really makes your life easier. So you're going to want a short gold necklace, right? Because different outfits different tops require different lengths, and the short gold goes really good here. And a short silver. So a short gold necklace, a short silver necklace. And then you're going to want a long one. I love this. My friend Anna Solino makes this jewelry. A long gold and a short, no, a long gold and a long silver necklace. Okay? Then what you're going to want is gold hoops, maybe not this big, maybe you want a little smaller, There's so many variations out there. Gold hoops and silver hoops. You can get those from Brighton or all kinds of places. And then sometimes what I really like is a combination of gold and silver together. This is like gold, silver, and copper all together, something my sister got me for my birthday last year. So that's all you really need to do. And sometimes you might want to add in scarves, but if you didn't want to even bother with that, long gold, short gold, long silver, short silver, gold cuff, silver cuff, and you're good. All right. And those are the things. That's how you can begin to make better outfits. So here's your assignment. I want you to go to your closet and I want you to check it out in a way that you have not before. What kind of colors do you have going on up here, ladies? Is it flattering, or is it washing you out? What kind of things have you accumulated in your closet? Is there any love in there, or are you just picking up random pieces that you don't really care about? And 3, what kind of condition is your accessories in? If they're a mess, figure out a system to get it right and start to wear them. And then you see how energizing it can be. Okay, so that's what I wanted to tell you today. If you are serious about putting together better outfits, I've got something for you. And I call it the Focus on You style session. It's a 1-hour video session with just you and I, where you can upload pictures of yourself in all kinds of outfits, and then get a professional recommendations on what you're doing right. Maybe you're crushing it. Maybe it's just a few tweaks that could make it better. We don't know. Maybe you're missing things. But that's a really great opportunity to spend an hour talking about what you're doing and what you could do better and get some recommendations. It's only $2.99, and if that's something that is interesting to you, I don't know. You can find me on my Facebook page. Give me a call, send me a text or an email. We'll chat and set up a date. Okay. That's all for now. Peace, love, and fashion, and I'll see you in a couple of days.